How to remove Meta AI on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable Meta AI on Messenger. If that AI keeps popping up and you don't want to use it, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. Now, you'll see the Meta AI icon. It looks like a little circle. Go ahead and tap on it. Once it opens the Meta AI chat, tap the Meta AI name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the settings for the AI chat. Here, look for the option that says Mute. Tap on it and choose how long you want to mute Meta AI. You can mute it for 15 minutes, or even select until I change it so it stays off until you turn it back on. And just like that, Meta AI won't send you messages or pop up in Messenger anymore. Now, just a quick note, there's currently no way to permanently delete Meta AI from Messenger. But muting it is the best way to stop it from bothering you. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.